Ever wonder how successful projects avoid costly surprises? The secret is a risk register, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to create one, step by step. Hi, welcome back to School of Project Management. If you want to take control of your projects and prevent unexpected roadblocks, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a practical, ready-to-use risk register template to track and manage risks like a pro. So what exactly is a risk register? Simply put, it's a document that helps you identify, assess, and track potential risks in your project. Think of it as a roadmap to prevent surprises and keep your project on track. A good risk register helps you. 1. Spot potential issues before they become problems. 2. Prioritize risks based on their impact. 3. Make informed decisions to keep projects on time and budget. Step 1 is all about identifying risks. Gather your team, stakeholders, and experts to brainstorm potential risks. You can use tools like SWOT analysis, checklists from previous projects, historical data, and expert interviews. For example, a supplier delay could impact your project timeline. Write it down clearly in your register. Next, describe each risk clearly and categorize it. Include these fields: risk ID, description, category, and owner. Categories can include technical, financial, operational, and legal risks. Categorizing risks makes it easier to prioritize and manage them effectively. Step 3 is assessing risks. Evaluate each risk for likelihood, how probable it is, and impact, how severe it would be on your project's cost, timeline, or quality. You can calculate a risk score by multiplying likelihood by impact. For example, if a risk has a high probability and high impact, it becomes a priority risk. Now it's time to plan responses. There are 4 main strategies: mitigate, reduce the likelihood or impact; transfer, shift the risk to a third party. Like insurance, except monitor the risk if it's minor or unavoidable. Avoid, change your plan to eliminate the risk entirely. For example, if supplier delay risk is high, you could identify alternative suppliers to reduce impact. The final step is to monitor and review your risks regularly. Track the status: open, in progress, closed. Update probabilities and mitigation actions as your project evolves. You can manage this using Excel, Google Sheets, or project management software like MS Project, Jira, or Primavera Risk. Here's a practical example of a ready-to-use risk register. It includes all fields we discussed: risk ID, description, category, owner, likelihood, impact, risk score, response, actions, and status. You can start filling it for your project today. To summarize, creating a risk register involves 5 steps: identify, describe, assess, plan, and monitor. It's your roadmap to stay ahead of potential project risks. I've included a free downloadable risk register template in the description. Grab it and start managing your risks like a pro today. Don't forget to subscribe for more project management tips and strategies.